Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hi, I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and recipes. Today I'm sharing how to get organized after the Christmas chaos. And that's just what it is, am I right? I mean, I don't know what your home looks like after Christmas, but ours is nothing short of a full-blown disaster. I think it's safe to say that I am as excited about taking it all down and putting it all away as I am about decorating for Christmas. Is that possible? So today I'm sharing my tips and tricks for getting organized after Christmas. And I'll be sharing throughout this next month all kinds of organization tips for your home. So don't forget to click subscribe and make sure you also sign up for my organization series. I think you'll find it really helpful if it's one of your goals for 2020. Now, one of the best ways to get started, and I like to take this in baby steps, is to eliminate all the excess packaging. So what I recommend you do is you take the biggest box you have and put that in the middle of the room, and then all that packaging can all go in that box. Anything dry. That way, in case some instructions accidentally get thrown away, you can still find them without having to dig through the trash. Boxes consume double the space. Open the items maintaining any assembly instructions and recycle packaging. To create a recycling center for quick cleanup, use a large box that the biggest toy you have came in, put it in your living room in the center of it all, and put all recyclable packaging in it. You can take another box with you to the toy rooms or upstairs, so that way you can use those to donate as well. Once you get all the stuff unpackaged, and put that box outside, and you can start really assessing where it all needs to go. Now, as you do that, I always like to say, I hate that saying, but kill two birds with one stone. That's exactly what I do. So from there, I like to divide it up among people. I will set things kind of aside, and I have the kids work with me, which makes it so much quicker and easier. But I kind of have them each put everything into individual piles. And from those piles, if we've got toys and we've got clothes, let's start by taking up the clothes. So we take those up to their individual rooms, and as we go to put them away, we see what we can remove. We need to make room for those excess clothes, and this is the perfect time to donate. And I also like to kind of send our kids a little message about why it's important to donate and how we can help others. So when you go to put all those clothes away that you got for Christmas, even those underwear that Grandma had to give you, go ahead and discard any old underwear. So it's quick and easy. It's a way of not only putting things away, but decluttering in the process. And we like to do the same thing with toys. There is no time like the present to eliminate toys. Get them out while you can. It's funny how when new things come in your home, how they quickly lose interest in the old. So kind of remind the kids, make way for new stuff. Go through your closet, go through your toy bins, see what you can get rid of, and let's get your new ones put away. And chances are they'll be much more receptive to that. Whatever you do, don't wait to donate. It will feel so amazing, take it from me, till you just get it out of the house. So don't delay, get it out now while you can so that you don't drive around with it in your trunk for the next 3 weeks. I'm not speaking from experience or anything. Another thing we like to do during the holidays is rotate toys. Again, if you're not ready to donate stuff, maybe you're ready to rotate stuff. So I take more of a minimalist approach, and I say I'm allergic to stuff. I just don't like having excess stuff around. But one of the ways you can kind of get around that is you can rotate toys. So get those big bins. I'll link to my favorite ones in the description below. But those big plastic bins, they stack really nicely, but they're also really wonderful for rotating toys. So put all the old toys in those bins, put them into your storage room, and Let them enjoy their new stuff, and when their new stuff loses its luster, rotate it out. And now it's time to take down the greens. As much fun as it is to put them up, at this point they're dried. We're past the season, kind of ready for that fresh new start for the new year. So it's the perfect time to take down the greens. And if you do it all at once, you can do one clean after. I like to get rid of all the toys and put all the Christmas gifts away on the same day. I like to remove all the greenery and our Christmas decor because it just makes it one clean sweep. So if you do all that now, it really will eliminate an extra step. And you know, a lot of greenery can be composted, so make sure you don't put it away in plastic bags that don't disintegrate in a landfill. With all the new things entering your home, be mindful of the things that need to leave your home so that you don't feel consumed with stuff for the new year. We'll be going through my full decluttering checklist next week. I hope to see you again soon where we can organize the kitchen, all the cabinets, closets, office, anything you want to see. Let me know because I'm getting started on getting organized myself and I can't wait to take you along with me. Thanks so much for following along and I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, da, da,